Hello once again, everyone, and welcome back. In the last video, we have tried to go out of Odoo first and went to Gmail to set up our two-step verification, and we have generated an Odoo password, app password, which we have installed in our server. So we have it also saved in our odoo.conf. This is a very important process because Gmail will not allow you to use your default password in order to run a third-party app, not unless you're running it on an Android device. So, in order for us to be able to make Odoo send messages or email messages to different contacts like vendors and customers, we have to do the two-step verification and install the app password only in our server now. So the app password you have generated only applies in our server. You don't have to do it in every host that accesses the Odoo website. So in this case, we will go to settings. No, we are going to set the email server. We go to settings and we go to users and companies and we go to users. We have one user, okay, which is the administrator or admin. Okay, we can click on this user and assign it the email that we have used. I'm going to use my dummy email and then save it. Okay, so that's the first thing. That's the difference in Odoo 19. In Odoo 18, it's not. This is not required. So in Odoo 19, you have to assign your company email to your administrator. Now let's go. The next thing to do is set the outgoing mail server. We do that by clicking technical and finding somewhere below outgoing mail servers. Okay. So far we don't have any outgoing mail server, so we'll have to make a new one by clicking new. And then we can name this anything we like, but shall we say we call it Gmail server. Okay, and then we are going to use the password that we have generated. Remember, I've saved it in our uh, odoo.conf. Okay, you don't have to save it there, but in this demo, I'm just saving it so it's easy to retrieve. And then you have it's a password that you have to paste there. Okay, and then the email address, our dummy email address. Okay, we'll copy it from the website and then we'll go to our Odoo and then paste it there, the username. Okay, now you have to remember this. No, I'm going to put the script down below. Uh, the encryption should be TLS. That's the modern one with uh, encryption and validation. The SMTP server should be smtp.gmail.com. Okay, and the SMTP port should be 587. Okay, and then save it. Now, we can already test if this is correct. Okay, we have a test connection button, and this is the final thing that we need to do. We click test connection, wait for a while, and Odoo gave us a message that the connection test is successful. It gives us uh, the hint that we will be able to use this email in the future. In the next video, we are going to start installing the most common applications. I'm going to list down the applications and also put them in the description. Thanks for watching this video and see you in the next video.